Hey Barbara, my name is Erin. I'm with Duff Digital Marketing, a marketing company here in Greensboro, and I happen to be doing some research in your area and I came across your website. So I figured I would shoot you guys this quick video to give you 3 tips on how you can beat your competition online. I certainly do not want to waste you all's time and I don't want to waste mine either, so I'll keep this nice and short, but if by the end of the video you can tell that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help grow your business online, and that's something that you all are interested in, please reach out to me and we can chat. And if not, no worries. Please take these tips that I've given you here today and put them into action. The only thing that I ask is that you'll please give me some feedback on this video if you don't mind. So without further ado, we'll go ahead and get into it. The 3 things that I want to cover today are content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is going to be content, and that's basically anything that you can see here that includes pictures, what they're saved as, and also what's behind the pictures can be considered content as well. So these are things that the search engine can read and get an idea of what the service that you offer is, the area that you're targeting, and that will position you in the search ranking. So having unique, authoritative content and enough of it to add in the keywords or key phrases that people are going to be searching Google for to locate your services. So looking at your website, it doesn't look like you all have a ton of content. I do see that you do have some sub pages up at the top, services, your location, estimates, things like that, so that's great. You just want to make sure that you do have, again, enough of that content. That way you can have the keywords and key phrases within that searchers are going to be more than likely to search for when they're looking for your services. But that's the only tip that I have for you there, so we'll go ahead and move on. The second tip that I have is going to be citations. So looking at a Google search here for window repair Greensboro, you'll see that this section right here is what we like to call the map pack. What a citation essentially is your business name, address, and phone number that's listed in various directories throughout the web. So you may be asking yourself, what is a directory and how do I get myself listed in one of those? To put it simply, it's basically Yellow Pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, and any other places online that allow business owners to add their business details and services within there. That would be considered a directory. So in order to rank high on the maps here, you would need to make sure that you're looking at your competition's directory listings and seeing what they're currently being listed in, and then you all would want to go out and get yourself listed there as well. But you would not just want to stop at whatever your competition has. You would want to get what they have and then add more. That way you're completely dominating them in that space, and that will help you rank here in the search. So now that we've covered the content and the citations, the last thing that I want to cover is backlinks. So backlinks have a lot to do with this section underneath that map pack, that section here. That's what we call the organic section. The way that backlinks work is there's a website out there that has a link to your website, and it's pushing power to your site, which is potentially bringing traffic to you. So backlinks are not created equal though. For example, say that you all did business with someone who owns an ice cream shop, and they have decided that they are going to send a link back to you all's website, but their link is all about ice cream. So it's really not going to do much good for you all since it has nothing at all to do with your business. We want links from another window repair services that's actually sending a link back to your website that says, yes, they are a window repair company. That's going to be a lot more powerful because it's unique, but it's also relevant to your industry as well. So looking at one of the tools that I have here, this is called Ahrefs. It's not 100% accurate, but it's a company that buys data from Google. So it gives me at least an idea of what's working well for you all and what's working well for your competition also. And so with this, I can see that currently you all have 31 referring domains, which is giving you 330 backlinks. And out of those, you're getting found for 60 keywords. And that's getting an average of 75 people to your site each month. And like I said, this is just a tool. It's not 100% accurate. If you want the most accurate information, you would get that straight from Google Analytics. But as you can see, I pulled up the keywords here. And this is showing you what position each keyword is in. So looks like you all are ranking for your company name. And then if we go down like Glass Greensboro, it looks like you all are in the 5th position for that. Glass Repair Greensboro, North Carolina, that's the 9th position. So you'd be getting into the 2nd, 3rd page of Google here. So this listed here too is showing you when the last time that your positioning was updated. So with that, your position may not be exactly the same as it is right at this moment, but again, it does just give me a good idea of where you're at. If we look at one of your competitors, this was the first company listed in that organic section underneath the maps on Google, Double Hung LLC. So they have 46 referring domains, giving them 948 backlinks, which is getting them found for 300 keywords, bringing them roughly 120 people to their site per month. So we'll take a look at what keywords they're getting found for here. And again, here's their position. So it looks like they're getting found for their company name. I'm just going to click on this so it shows everything to us in the correct order. So they are getting found for window repair Greensboro, NC. They're in the 3rd position for that, which is a pretty powerful keyword that people would be searching. So essentially, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of the same places that they're being found in. And just like the citations, you don't want to stop there. In order to really truly beat out your competition, you want to make sure that you're adding more. But that's really pretty much all that I do have for you today. I hope that this video has been educational for you. If you would like to know more about how Duff Digital Marketing can help grow your business via your online presence, please give me a call and we can chat. And like I said before, if not, no worries at all. Enjoy these tips that I've given you today. And if you could just give me some feedback on this video and let me know how I did, that would be greatly appreciated. Thank you again, Barbara. I hope you have a great rest of your day.